Hello everyone, and this video I will show you how to recover deleted Snapchat memories. So let's get into a Snapchat mobile application here. Once you're here, just open your Snapchat, open your profile icon here, and once you open your profile icon on the top right, you will see the settings gear icon. Go there, scroll to the bottom, and somewhere you will get an option that I need help, right? Here we are, so just go and click on I need help. Now you have to again wait for some time, and here just type data in the search bar, and for example search for it, or if you're not able to find it properly, then just go and right here download my data and hit the enter. Now here you will get this a new option that is basically how can I download my data from Snapchat, right? Now you have to scroll down and just scroll to the bottom here, right? And here you will get this option of submit here, so just go and click on this here. Now it will load for some time. Now here you have to just again wait here. Now you need to re-log in into your Snapchat account. Now once you have logged in here, you have to select the data which you want to include, right? So this is very important because we want to recover our deleted memories here. So include your memories, by the way, then you have to select export HTML file, right? So that is the best one, right? And here I will just unselect because I don't want any another information. So if you don't want any another information, you can unselect it and just go and click on next. Now you have to select the date range, right? So for example, I want to recover from all my memories from 1st of July to 1st of June to 1st of July, right? Now again, once I have selected, go to the bottom, confirm your email address, and then just go to and select here, right? Confirm. Okay, so here it says that please select at least one date type in previous sections. Of course, we just need to select it properly. Once you have selected it, just go and click on submit, and once you click on submit, automatically it will get sent to your email address and you will able to download all the memories, right? And you can just recover it from there. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.